This is Kulali and her owner Garth. Garth was a successful engineer who started building Kulali as his final life project. Unfortunately, Garth never got to see her finished. I've been lucky enough to take the challenge on of completing her build and one day to sail her around the world. Similar to Garth, I'm a passionate engineer who loves to know how things work and how to build things. Join me on this journey to bring Garth's dream to life. This is Sailing Kulali. So it's a very exciting day. I've got my first lathe to help with this project on Kulali. Don't scratch him, mate, don't scratch him.
I genuinely hope that it's good quality.
How's the deburring on that? And then they painted over it. That's alright. First impressions, not great, not great. This has already fallen off. Chinese shit. Tighten that up. Don't forget that the iPhone is made in China as well. Yeah, that's right, that's better. Just a quick review on the door. It's very sharp. There's a hazard. And this is not painted, but that's okay. What? Oh, that's right. Very sharp. What do you think, Chris?
We'll see. I'm not convinced as of yet.
Chris not convinced about the quality. Woo! Some smooth German hatches right there.
I genuinely reckon. What? We should have gone German.
Chris, you can't say that while we're opening the fucking box. Surprise.
I really don't want something like that.
Yeah, it's like, they're like trying to help us. Take it back.
Yeah, while you still can.
Maybe we should wear gloves.
Show the viewers what they can.
It's the lathe inside. Pretty happy there's packaging. That's exciting. What's that? Other side? Oh, it's a surprise. Oh, it's the shield, the backboard, the underside. Yep. Maybe we'll take that first, yeah? So that, I think that goes on the bottom. So this is how it comes. You've got the V-belt here, which is not on yet. Something's in here, another surprise. That's the 4-jaw chuck. It's the door.
Oh, the 3 jaws already on there?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's oiled, which is good. Yeah, that's good to see, a bit of oil. I love how I'm like looking at things and I'm just like, that's not very straight. Nice. Go, lift that up.
It doesn't want it, it's jammed in.
Oh, gentle.
It's jammed in there.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, just slide this across, mate.
Go on.
How do you do that?
I would laugh if it was locked. Come on, man.
How do you... Mate, how do you make this thing go that way? No, it's the, so you need to turn. So let's put the handles on.
The handles are up. Oh, that feels good.
It's funny though, hey, like.
It wants to. Something's locked. Usually the blind, using the blind. There, it's that.
Is it?
And then
oh! Yeah, okay. Alright.
Oh, can we put that somewhere? That's actually pretty heavy. That's the 4-jaw chuck, right?
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Oh, don't drop it out of the box.
I got it.
Alright, well, maybe I should put the belt on.
Yeah. Mystery boxes. Can you get the instructions? There's instructions? There must be instructions.
Oh, here. Good. Alright, there's 2 speeds to the belt here. That is very good.
Yeah.
Fine there. Yep, come in, slow. Slow. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
Fine, look at this bolt over here.
Which bolt?
That one where you loosen. I think it's got...
Oh, hold there. Hold. Yeah, okay, keep going up. Oh yeah.
You don't have a camera mount for your...
I might actually have it in my... That's right. So the lathe is now in. It's been very hard. And now we're lining up these bolts. What do you think, Chris?
Wait, that was a bit of a mission.
Oh. Right, this is the mystery box that came with the lathe. Don't cut yourself.
I'll make a video.
You must be like my safety messages the whole time. Must be like, oh, what's in the box?
Oh, more gear there.
Oh, wow.
A little oil.
A little bit of a party going on in there.
Some teeth for the
Drawers.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Is that oil? Oh,
That's one of those little oilies.
that's sick. That's pretty cool. So I reckon that's for tool oil. Yeah?
Yeah, this is when you want to change the ratio.
Ooh.
Not bad, not
Dog cut gears, man. You know what it didn't come with, which I'm a bit disappointed? The chuck for the drill.
Oh yeah.
How do you... Alright, so that's the end of the video. We're going to make a lot of parts for Kulali on this lathe, hopefully. So in summary, the lathe was pretty okay. Like probably a 5 out of 10 in terms of like build quality. Not that we know anything about lathes, but just things like starting lower, this jaw, you know, like they haven't really tried very hard with the painting. This edge is like a razor blade. I cut myself before with it there. But what can you expect, you know? So that's that. Some of the manufacturing of this thing is pretty third grade. Like, you know, paint runs everywhere, sharp edges. Things don't really line up, like see that along there. But I don't know, maybe lathes are meant to be like this. Who knows? You got some, yeah, cast. I mean, this is a cast part. What can you expect? They're not going to finish it off. But yeah, so hopefully it runs relatively true. I've never owned a lathe before. I've used one once probably. And yeah, and that's it. Cool. See you next time.